CannMed Events presents the CannMed Medical Practicum taking place in Pasadena, California on May 3rd, 2022. This full-day workshop will be led by Bonni Goldstein, Dustin Sulak, Kevin Spelman, and Eloise Theisen. Each of the presenters will share the latest research, their clinical experience, and practice guidelines related to cannabinoid therapeutics. A new section in this 8-hour course is dedicated to reviewing the types of extractions, products, and optimal dosing of cannabinoids for various therapeutic scenarios. The CannMed Medical Practicum will conclude with the presentation team discussing a number of topics in a panel format open to Q&A from the attendees. Continuing education credits. This course is approved by the California Board of Registered Nursing for 9.5 contact hours. Purchase your ticket to the limited capacity CannMed Medical Practicum today and consider joining us for the CannMed 2022 main conference immediately following the practicum on May 4th and 5th, 2022. Tickets to the CannMed Medical Practicum and the main conference can be purchased at cannmedevents.com.